What's up, everybody? Hey, yo, dude, we haven't had first snow this year, but I do have a town where a little snow squall came through. You know what a snow squall is? Some people don't even know what a snow squall is. Anyways, it caused a bunch of grief and a bunch of crap and stuff like that. So, anyways, we're gonna head up and we're gonna take care of some snow. So stick around, follow along. And it's not gonna be much because it's literally like, I don't know, like 3 properties I gotta go do. So I'll take what I can get at this point, right? So anyways, I called Skyler. I couldn't get a hold of him, so I tried calling Matt. I was about ready to have Matt come up, which, you know, he's a little farther away, so I nice and figured I'd just call up old Skyler since he's in town here. But anyway, stay tuned. We're gonna go take the Jeep. Well, here's what we're in. So we're gonna be driving the Jeep up to do some snow removal. It doesn't look like anything here because it didn't snow here. It didn't snow anywhere else. But all of a sudden, just this snow squall came through, and accidents on the freeway left and right. Semi truck jackknifed on the bridge, and yeah, good times. Well, folks, I forgot to film that one. First of all, there wasn't really that much snow. I mainly just pushed. Oh, hold on. Well, folks, the sun's pretty bright. I just salted a little bit, man. I didn't feel that was worthy enough to film. There wasn't any snow, but the sun is getting close to going down and the temperatures are dropping. So we did put some salt down. But that's it. I don't know, man. That wasn't much of a storm. We'll see what happens tomorrow if we get any lake effect. But so far on the weather, it doesn't show any snow again for a while. So I don't know, man. This winter just sucks, but sorry for disappointing you in this video. There's really not much. Really quick, short. Look at that. Did you hear that? All of a sudden it just like stopped, dude. It's just like a wall. And now it's no longer doing anything. Like, that's funny. I don't know. That's crazy. It's just like a wall of moisture. And then all of a sudden it just stopped. Anyways, so yeah, stick around. We may get to plow this year with the Jeep. We might not. I mean, I dropped it for like 2 passes at the one property. I'm sorry I didn't film that. I mean, I guess I should have, but it's just a little skiff. I was just mainly removing a little bit of the snow, so I didn't have to put so much salt down. So, anywho, thanks for watching. P.S. If you want one of these hats, you can send me a Venmo. I only have black ones left. Anyways, I'll put the Venmo down in my description, just in case if you're interested. Helps me, helps the channel. But for now, most of the sales that I do sell of the hat are basically just going to go to buy more merch. And then if we sell more, we'll start buying shirts, get some shirts made, stuff like that. So any help is appreciated. And I always appreciate the like and the supports that, well, the likes that, you know, people, the comments, stuff I get on the shorts. Videos are slacking, but the shorts, man, they're popping off. So if you haven't, go scroll through, go scroll through the shorts. And then if they have a lot of comments, go scroll through the comments. They're, if you want a little bit of entertainment, go to my channel, search shorts, go to most popular, and just like scroll down and search through some of them. It's pretty funny. It makes me giggle. But anyways, have a good day. That's it. I'm going home. It's dry. I'll turn my wipers off because I don't need them anymore. You can tell it's dry. Getting here into my hometown is just like nothing. So anyways, peace out. Have a good day. Smile and enjoy life. And honestly, just treat other people with respect. And if you can't do that and you really absolutely need to not talk to somebody, just don't talk to them. Don't text them, don't call them. Just kind of cut them out of your life, I guess. You can still be cordial, say hi, stuff like that. But you know, if somebody's bringing you some grief, you still have to deal with that. So, anyways, we need to change how we deal with people. And if you don't want to deal with them, just if you're more happy not dealing with them, then yeah, make a change. Anyways, peace out.